Hey.
Medical Observatory together for the innovative medicine. My name is Zbigniew Nawrat. Welcome. I am an academic teacher and scientist, also inventor. I was born and have lived all my life in Silesia in Zabrze. For 50 years, I have been natural observing chance, good and bad. People who bring ideas with them attract others to reach for difficult goals, such as Prof Zbigniew Nawrat, who performed the first successful heart transplantation in Zabrze, and in whose team I worked over an artificial heart and robots. These great, influential people and those simple, reliable, working on the ground, in mines and above ground, in factories, offices, schools, and hospitals. They all contribute something important to the community and the development of this most industrial region of Poland. Here, people are very hardworking, responsible, good for themselves and nature, friendly, open to the world and modern trends that come from it. During Solidarity, democracy was bravely fought and admissions to the European Union was enthusiastically received here. A day later, I was already participating in the creation of the Silesian Regional Innovative Strategy, then in All Foresight Project, and then in Observatory led by GAP. Upper Silesia agglomeration is the largest urbanized area in the Central Europe, the second big resident integrating Polish GDP. 100 new companies are registered each day in Silesia, 500,000 registered business, including 7,000 with foreign capital you can find here. The network of regional specialist observatories is a permanent platform of cooperation of Marshal's Office of the Śląskie Voivodeship with key regional institutions and participants of the innovation ecosystem in technological areas operating since 2013. Its main aims is to monitor, measure, analyze area of specialization, identify growth sectors of the economy, which may update regional smart specializations. A network of regional specialist observatories is divided for energy observatory, medicine, ICT, environment, nano, materials, and aviation observatory. Medicine is regional smart specialization. Medicine is one of the factors differentiating the Silesia from the rest of the country because you can find here strong R&D, health facilities, innovative companies, and also top-class specialists. Outstanding proficiency is numerous areas of prevention, treatment, rehabilitation, as well as recognition of the medical engineering products related to the creation, adaptation, and absorption of technological advanced solutions of medical engineering, biotechnology, material engineering, computer science, and electronics supported by IT and telecommunication technologies in the field of in silico research, as well as remote prevention of and diagnostics and treatments of complex cases. The products that are mainly exported from the companies 150 here is hospital furniture, practice, surgical instrument, medical materials, but also implants. 1,000 TTs in the region of the MedTech specializing in the production of radiation equipment, electromedical and electrotherapeutic equipments, as well as production of devices, instruments, and medical devices, including dental. Medical Observatory GAP manages of one of the regional branch observatories with the regional network of smart specialization observatories in the Upper Silesia region. The branch observatory is focused on the medical technology and allows to a quick and easy access to expertise in strategic technology areas. Coordinator is Upper Silesia Accelerator for Commercial Enterprises Ltd. The cluster potential is huge, over 100 members, 150 million zloty annual net revenue. The leader, Upper Silesia Accelerator for Commercial Enterprises Ltd, and the partners, Silesia University of Technology, Łukasiewicz Network, Medical University of Silesia, and Foundation of Cardiac Surgery Development. One of the important parts of our activities is medical robots, because pioneering works were created here. The Med Silesia cluster units Polish medical robotics resources. You can find here the surgical robots, rehabilitation robot, robotic pharmacy, care and social robot, disinfection robot, and artificial organs produced in Poland. Paying attention to the patients was established in 91 Foundation of Cardiac Surgery Development. When the patient's heart needs replacing, we create an artificial heart and make a mechanical heart support system working 30 years in clinic. We organize the laboratory testing system and produce think of these apparatus. When the surgeon wants to operate minimal invasive the heart, we create the Polish family of surgical robots named Robin Heart. Also create the laboratory and testing system. When we need present planned operation, we prepare the advisory system with surgery planning, simulation, and surgery effect and training system, and also for cooperation, the educational platform, conferences, workshop. Directing attention to the East Ukraine, on Tuesday, February 24, Putin army started the war and it crossed the border of the peace. To our old and new friends in Ukraine, from old and new friends from Germany, England, US, and Poland, we sent over 20 transport with specialist medical equipment, medicines, and medical materials. We have reached rapidly Lviv, Kiev, Odessa, Donbas, Vinnytsia, Kharkiv, Zhytomyr, Mykolaiv. Of course, the action to be continued. We know our past because only by knowing it, we can learn to build the future. And last, my private saying is things from that time, Zabrze. My father 50 years ago designed robots for mining. Today, I design robots for medicine. Contact person with me and also contact to Med Silesia cluster here. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you a fruitful meeting.